walking down the lonely track. No one knows when I'll be back. Sky is gray, my heart is black. Guitar cries the notes I lack. A monitor sings my sorrows too. Underneath the pale white moon, in the night my soul has swooned. Don't know why I left so soon. Oh, the lonely track they call saw my shadow rise and fall. With the blues I find my own. Heard the night birds haunting call. Whiskey whispers in my ear. Memories that cost me dear. Fading dreams that never clear. In the dark where pain is near. Guitar cries the notes I like. Cuts like tears in endless night. Hope to find some glimpse of light. In this blues my heart takes flight. Oh, the lonely track they call saw my shadow rise and fall. With the blues I find my own. Heard the night birds haunting call. Oh, the lonely track they call saw my shadow rise and fall. With the blues I find my own. Heard the night birds haunting call.